I just finished this vintage Reuge double singing birdcage. Everything was taken apart and fully serviced, so it works exactly as it should. Gorgeous vintage condition. This has the fancier base with the heavy relief scenes of cherubs and birds and musical instruments and vines. Let's hear it play, and I'll start off on the pause setting. As you can see, a nice long pause, which indicates that the bellows and the internal mechanism is in excellent condition. We'll do one more pause. Then we'll switch it to continuous mode. The birds animate exactly as they should. The beaks open and close, the tails flap, the heads rotate, and the entire body also turns from left to right. Wonderful condition. The colors of the birds are bright and vivid. I'll turn this off now. In summary, a vintage Reuge double singing birdcage in outstanding condition that's been fully serviced, so it'll provide many years of worry-free use. Take care.